Good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to start a new chapter from your Living English book, and that is Happy Birds. Lesson number 7, Happy Birds. Rohan and his friends are playing in the park. Work with your partner. Take turns to name the 5 things you see in the picture. So, this is the work you have to do. Now, let's read the chapter. So you can see Happy Birds from the name that this chapter is about the birds. So let us read the chapter to know more. Rohan and Anu wanted to have a pet. Rohan wanted a dog, Anu wanted a white kitten. So you can see there are two children. The boy wanted to have a pet. The boy wanted to have a dog and the girl wanted to have a white kitten. Rohan and Anu walked to the pet shop in the market. In the shop, they saw dogs, cats, and rabbits. So they decided and went to the pet shop, to buy a pet. So there they saw dogs, cats, and rabbits. Anu and Rohan and Anu liked them. They also saw some cages. There were the birds in the small cages. There were white and grey pigeons in the big cage. So they saw that there were some cages also, and then birds were kept in the cages. The birds looked sad. Rohan and Anu did not like to see the birds in the cages. Rohan and Anu felt bad about the birds who were kept in the cages. They felt sorry for the birds. They went back home. They told Granny what they had seen. Then they both went back home and then they told their grandmother that what they have seen in the pet shop. Granny said, "Let us go to the shop right now." Granny told them that let us go to the shop right now. So they three of them went to the shop. Rohan, Anu and Granny went to the shop. Granny said to the shopkeeper, "I want to buy these birds." So Granny purchased all the birds. The shopkeeper gave them the birds in the cages. She told the shopkeeper, "You should not keep birds in the cages." So Granny told the shopkeeper that it is not good to keep the birds in the cage. So shopkeeper says, "I am sorry, ma'am. I will never sell birds now. That I will never keep them in cage and I will never sell birds." Rohan, Anu and Granny came out of the shop. Then they purchased the birds and they came out of the shop. They opened the doors of the cages. So they opened all the doors of the cages. The birds hopped out one by one. So what did the birds do? The birds flied away, flied in the sky happily. So this was all about the chapter, children. I hope you understood it. Now let's move forward to the back exercises. Part A. Match the columns to make sentence. A. First, Anu wanted a white kitten. Second, Rohan and Anu saw parakeets in small cages. Third, the pigeons were white and grey. The birds in the cage looked sad. Rohan and Anu felt sorry for the birds. Now, B part, circle the animals Rohan and Anu saw in the pet shop. So they saw pigeons, dogs, cats and rabbits. D part, read the word on the word wall. Fill the letters to make the words from word wall. The first is frog. Second is bike, flew. Fourth is cry. So E, write he and she words in the correct columns. She. So she words are mother, sister, aunt, daughter, grandma. And he words are father, uncle, brother, grandpa, son. Part F. Write A or an for each picture. First, an apple. Next is a cup. An orange. A football. Fifth, an ice cream. And sixth, an umbrella. Now part H. Filling the blanks with A or an. First, Anu wanted a kitten for a pet. Second, Sheila has an orange every day. Third, have you seen an ostrich? Fourth, there is a rainbow in the sky. Fifth, Paul had an apple and a dosa for breakfast. So this was all about the chapter, children, reading part and book exercises. I hope you understood the chapter. Thank you.